Linking your bank account to Fidelity is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments and transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Fidelity account. Visit the Fidelity website and log in using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This area contains options for managing your account details, including linked bank accounts. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. Within the Account Settings, find the option that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Fidelity may require you to verify the account. This could involve confirming small test deposits made by Fidelity into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Fidelity account, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your investments. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Fidelity's customer support for assistance.